Everyone. We are from the Unikop College. We would like to present our project web application blog that using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. Thesis. The final result of our project is you can see this is the login page, then down there have a sign up button. When we click on it will redirect it to the sign up page. At here you need to fill in all the blank to create an account. As you can see, when you empty a blank it will need you fill up or you can't sign up successfully. A third email have a bit different when you don't put the symbol at. It will need you to put it in behind the symbol also required text. Now let's look inside after login page. As you can see, this is a home page. As at the center have the other user post. You can see that there's have a like and comment button. Click on the like button, it will turn to red, and for comment button it will show a blank field for you to put your own comment. At the right side corner have a log out button, it will redirect it to the login page when click on it. Fourth below it is as a menu. When user scroll down or up it will always stay at the position. At the menu bar we have 4 icon, which is Home, Profile, Settings and Post. Thesis. Your profile, you can found out that here have your profile picture, username, gender and also the post history. You can change the username, gender and picture on the settings page. Let me show it how to work. First I just search a picture from the internet and name it picture. Download it and choose it. You can saw that it will show your picture names. Next for username I change it to root, and gender have 2 option, male and female, so I choose male and click save. It will redirect it to profile page. You can see the picture username and gender has been changed. Last for post, this is the page where you put your text to share at the home page with others. Let's say I type hello word and click post, it will jump to home page. So you can see the post I have made with my name and picture, and at the profile page you can see that my post history have show the post I have made just now. Showing the final result. After showing the final result, now let's explain how the code work. Start from index page, or you can just call it login page, as name it with index as to let this page will be the first page to show to user. I will just explain the part of PHP. JavaScript, also a bit of HTML, but for CSS I will not explain too much since it will take too much time at there. First start from create HTML tag, put head, body and also title. At the last end width. Thesis. The CSS code for the index page start with. We have a div class container for the login form and using post method. Behind the input we put required so that when user did leave empty it will notice the user. Using to link up this page with the sign up page so that when user click on it will redirected to the page. No, for the PHP part, we want to connect to a database. How to do it? At first, we need to put the database information like name, username, password and database name. Behind the password is empty because I did not set the password for it, so just left it empty. Next, establish connection with MySQL database. Also we need to know the database function normal or not, so we need to check the connection. This if for the check connection and display error message if connect fail. I also set a security measurement for it at here using sanitize to prevent SQL injection and XSS attacks. By remove these element and convert it. It return the data that after sanitize. After that, this is the login script. Checking is it using post method and also submit or not. The user input will be sanitize and check the user is exist or not in the database. If user exists it will start session and store user it in the session and redirect to home.php. Else login fail will set an error message. Last, close the database connection. Let's look at the sign-up page. CSY is the index page. Put div with class id container that include the username, email and password, but a little bit different at here. Just now is redirected to sign up page, now is redirected to login page. Now for PHP part, mostly same as the index page. Connect the database. Add sanitize function to protect data. The different is index page is check the data as exist on the database or not, but here is put the data into the database using insert into, then redirected to index page. For home page, so to save some time I will not repeat the same thing that appear every time. First make the session start. Thesis for getting the user id and put it in the session so that we can know who has logged in. Then get the user data from post, content and comment table according timestamp descending order sorting. Check the user post is fetched successfully and while used to iterate through each row of data retrieved from the query result. It retrieves the post ID from the current row and stores it in the $post_id variable. The logout button at here we link it with the logout.php. Later I will explain it. If post doesn't exist in the array, a new entry is created. This entry is an associative array containing the post's ID, content, username, user's photo, and comments. The comments part is initialized as an empty array because no comments have been added at this stage. If exists, just add the comment on current row, else display error. Thesis that to create a place for user to comment and like. If there are no more posts, will show no post available. This also handle the user post. When they post, it will handle all the things like the username and photo of the user that post. For JavaScript is to give the comment button and like button to function when click on it. Start from comment. When click on the button, it will display the comment place. It retrieves the comment text and associated post ID from input fields, sends them to a server-side script using XML HTTP request, handles server responses, and updates the user interface accordingly. Additionally, it provides user feedback through alerts and optionally updates the UI immediately upon posting the comment. This code executes when the DOM content is fully loaded. It retrieves data from the local storage, specifically the item named user post. Then, it selects the container where the posts will be displayed. If there is content in the user post item, it creates a new HTML element to display the post content within it. The post content is inserted into the HTML structure and appended to the post's container for display. Next, for profile page. Thesis for showing the user profile picture. When user did not change the picture, it will be default, but when user used their own picture, it will get the image from database. The path for getting user image. Username, a male and gender same as the image. Getting all the post made by user with loop. To the settings page. Get user ID from session, then get the user data. This code is for check user upload their own picture or not. If the picture is upload, it will move the picture to the folder that have been set. If no, nothing will chance. When user press at the save button, it will update the user data that have been changed by user. Then user information that has changed will be retrieved and show to the user. For HTML part, using echo to show the username, email and gender, so the changes that have been made by user. The last page is post page. Here handle the user post by get the user post and the user ID to know who make the post and insert into the database. For the two extra page, start from log out first. As you can see, it just for destroy the session only, then redirect it to index page. Next is insert comment. Thesis: forget the user comment and insert it into the database so that it will not disappear even you refresh or log out.